So this one will be a very quick update here coming from Funny Dex. Funny token, or should I say fun token, is a meme token. Yes, but they are having an exchange, a decentralized exchange of their own. Yes, that's not just it. They are currently on their airdrop campaign, and that is why I'm making this video. Yes, according to them, they say they'll be giving out $20 for each users just to complete simple tasks like follow them on X, Telegram, and you submit your wallet address. Okay, now this airdrop will be done on the Telegram application. Stick with me to the end of this video so that you can actually understand the procedure, the process, how to get started with this particular airdrop. So as you can see, this is their X account. Here is the campaign, get $20 instant. And once you scroll up here, you get to see their listing date, January 1st 2026 on Wix exchange. So you should take this update very serious. Okay, so let's get started ASAP. So first of all, after clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, you should click on start, then click on continue. You'll be asked to complete tasks such as to join the Telegram group and Telegram channel. Just click on the link, it will direct you. Make sure you join and then you come back. So after joining, you'll be asked to give your Telegram username. I'll easily give mine ASAP like this, and you send. Next, you'll be asked to like, retweet, comment, and tag 3 friends on Twitter page. I'll just do so to direct you to the Twitter account. I will come here, come to this pinned post. You see this pinned posts, come here. Now you click on this icon to like, click on this one to repost, then click on this icon to tag 3 random friends. Okay, just tag 3 people you wish. After doing that, come back here, give your Twitter username. So I will do mine ASAP. Then they say you should submit your Web20 wallet address. Give your wallet address from either your MetaMask, SafePal, Trust Wallet, but don't go through an exchange. Don't use an exchange wallet address. Submit your Web20 wallet address. Okay. So after submitting my address, so after completing the Telegram, I'll be giving you another link. Okay, you can use your wallet for this or your MySys or Kiwi browser to complete this part. Just paste the link, click here to connect wallets. For me, I will choose my SafePal wallet. You can decide to use any of your own wallets, but make sure you use the wallet, the same wallet which you copied your wallet address from. Okay, so after joining, click here on portfolio, then scroll up. You get to see where they say have a referral code. Ensure to apply the code displaying on your screen. Just insert that code here, then click on apply. But should in case it's not reflecting like this for you, then you're still good to go. Click on this airdrop button, then you scroll up. So once you come to this particular section, make sure you complete this task. It is very, very important. This is the only way you'll be able to claim this free $20. So just come here. Okay, follow them on X, click on it to direct you to the X accounts. Then you come back and do your verification. So click on follow. So once you come, I follow, then go back to the websites. In here, give your username, okay, your Twitter username, and you click on verify. Allow it to get verified. Then you do the next one. They say retweet pinned post. Click on this verified icon, click on retweet. After retweeting, copy your retweet link, paste it here, and then you verify. Let me do this ASAP. As you have seen, it's that easy. Should in case you're finding it difficult to verify your Twitter tags on the website, okay, just keep trying. Okay, you can decide to submit your username with the @ symbol before your username, or you submit it without the @ symbol, or maybe probably you can try using a VPN. Anyone will just work. Okay, there's kind of problem with verifying your X account. Okay, should in case of any information, I will let you know. Yeah, but make sure you follow me on this particular page, this particular account. Follow this account, and if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, you can check my profile, click on the link, it will direct you to my WhatsApp where you can actually DM me privately. So see you on the next video, and bye for now.